Hello and welcome back to my channel or my IG video feed. Today I'm going to be reviewing the PurePlex Revolutionary Hair Repair System, which is supposed to repair damage from over bleaching, colors, styling, chemicals, heat, all the works. So because this did start with the clarifying shampoo, I did want to go ahead and detangle my hair first before jumping into it. So with the shampoo, it had a really nice smell. Love the smell. Really clean, really kind of neutral scented. It was clarifying, so I did really want to make sure that I was getting all the product buildup off my hair. It had probably been maybe a month or two since I've clarified, so definitely need it. And I worked the shampoo through my roots and my ends because I am not afraid of washing my hair. That is not shade at people who don't wash their ends, but I do see it's very popular to skip your ends. So not only did I wash my hair once, but I washed it twice there. After I got done washing my hair the first time and rinsed, I went back towards the middle-ish of my hair. Just didn't feel like I got everything. So I went back through that area one more time and rinsed, and then towel dried and proceeded to the next step. So after I rinsed out all the shampoo, I go in with the bond protecting treatment. That is part 2 of the system, and you leave that in for 5 minutes. After your 5 minutes is up, you do not rinse it. You go ahead and start applying part 3, which is the bond reconstructing treatment, and you let that sit on your hair for 15 minutes. So after part 2 and part 3 have both been rinsed out, the last part of this treatment system is this conditioner. You just leave it in for, I think it might have been 2 minutes, and then that was it. I did not go in with my own deep conditioner after this because I just wanted to see how the treatment all worked. And after that, I went in and started styling with my normal wash and go products. These are products that I might not have shown myself using as far as on Instagram, but I've had them for a while. As you can see, all products have been used for the most part. I think the wet line was new, just bought that. But the Aloe Whip Gel by Camille Rose, it does act as a leave-in, so that's what I use it as. Amazing, smells great. Smells fantastic. So does the Carol's Daughter curl enhancing butter. Love that stuff. Super smooth, super thick, smells really nice. And wet line, I've been, me and wet line have been on like a break. We took a break from our relationship, have not been using it. I was trying to use more like high-end products because I figured, my hair is, I should probably just use better products for my hair, and I don't know, I just was bored, decided to come back to wetline. So I'm just going to continue styling, and I will be back with my final thoughts. Okay, so I am back, and these are the final results, if you cannot tell. So I guess my my final conclusion on this repair treatment system thing is that I think it actually works. Like, I have not had this good of a wash and go in a long time, and I still kind of have the same difficulties that I have seen since bleaching my hair, which is that it's kind of frizzy and undefined towards the ends. And you know, I clip my ends pretty regularly. I'm like a chronic trimmer. I'll say that. I'm a chronic trimmer. I trim my hair pretty much every day. That sounds bad. That sounds bad. Like, it's not like a full-on like trimming, but it's like if I'm, you know, just playing in my hair and I feel that, oh, this end, you know, on this particular curl, because I'll do it curl by curl. So if I'm like on this particular curl, there's, you know, there's a single strand knot, I'll cut it. Or if I'm like, I pull this curl out and for whatever reason there's one part of the curl, like right here or something like that, like there's just one part of the curl that'll like go extremely far down, or it'll be longer than the rest of the curl, kind of clumped in that area, I'll just go ahead and clip it. I'm very, very scissor happy. So I do clip my ends regularly, but I still have the issues with frizziness. And I can't really say the system is at fault for this or anything like that, but I just noticed that when my hair was dry, which I did let it air dry, I did have to blow dry my roots in the back, but I let my hair air dry, and it was just very frizzy. Like, there still are pieces that are just like right here, like this is really, really frizzy, but I think that's just my hair. It's just my hair. And I did have to go back over a couple pieces with more wet line gel just to get it to not frizz. Like, you see that right there, like that is like what my curls are just like. That's just what they're living their life doing. But yeah, so ultimately I would definitely recommend this line. The treatment did help to smooth or close some of my open cuticles just from being bleached and having permanent dye and semi-permanent dye just throughout the months that I did have it like bleached. So I definitely think that it helped with that. It's a great alternative to Olaplex. That is the number one thing that I would definitely hone in on when it comes to this. It's immensely cheaper than Olaplex. Olaplex, you even want to get Olaplex number 3, I think they sell it at Sephora. It's like $55 for just step 3. I think Olaplex number 1 you might can find on eBay or on Amazon just as an unlicensed person. You can find it there, and it's like $100, and if you get it done at a salon, even more expensive. So I think for the price that it is, it's roughly $20. I did get it at Target, and through the Target Circle app, it was 20% off, so I think I got it for like maybe 13-ish. So definitely a good deal. Even at $20, still immensely cheaper than just getting step 3, the at-home treatment of Olaplex. So if you're struggling with maybe frizziness, or you're struggling with your hair just not behaving overall, I will definitely say to try it. I did not notice any difference when it comes to breakage. I do know that's one of the claims of it, that it helps with breakage, but I don't really experience too much breakage. At least I didn't notice a difference as far as what the usual shedding I see just through manipulation and, you know, just average hair shed. Didn't notice a difference with that. But yeah, so that was my review. Again, I do recommend it for natural hair as well as if you have straight hair. If you've got any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments down below, or you can always head over to my Instagram and send me a direct message. I will answer. Leave a comment on the video again, and thank you for watching.